Reversible and irreversible changes. Changes occur all around us every day. In fact, change is the only constant thing that we see or observe in our environment. Blooming of a flower, growth of a plant from its seed, melting of an iceberg, and day and night are some examples of changes. Are all these changes reversible? Can ice be converted back into water? Yes, by melting ice, we can get water. But what about a plant? Can it be converted back into seed? No. Thus, all changes are not reversible. Changes that can be reversed are called reversible changes. Examples of reversible changes are the folding of paper, dissolving salt in water, and converting water into ice. Let us learn more about reversible changes. If ice cubes are taken out of the freezer, they absorb heat from the surroundings and melt to form water. When this water is heated, it starts boiling. Boiling water changes into steam and starts escaping the container. If a lid is held over the steam, it comes in contact with the cold lid and condenses into water droplets. If we collect this water and store it in a freezer, it converts into ice. This shows that interconversion of water is reversible. However, not all changes can be reversed. Changes that cannot be reversed are called irreversible changes. Examples of irreversible changes are the ripening of fruits, blooming of a flower, curdling of milk, burning of paper, and cooking of food. Changes can also be categorized as physical or chemical changes. Changes in the shape, size, or state of an object are called physical changes. Such changes do not alter the properties of a substance. It also does not produce a new substance. Changes in which new substances are formed are called chemical changes. Such changes cause alterations in the properties of a substance. Reversible changes are always physical changes. For example, folding of paper, rolling of dough, and melting of ice. In such changes, the substance remains the same. There is only a change in the size, shape, or state of the substance. Irreversible changes, on the other hand, may be either physical changes or chemical changes. Tearing off paper is an example of a physical yet irreversible change. In this case, there is a change in size of the object, but it cannot be reversed. Burning of paper is an example of a chemical and irreversible change. In this case, a new substance is formed, which is ash. This process also alters the properties of paper. In this way, we can categorize all changes that occur around us into these four categories.